5 seconds. Start. Therefore, I am pointing out to this house certain circumstances from which the house will gather that government have been trying their best to improve the conditions there and to develop it to the extent that is possible. I would make a very brief reference to the expenditure during the last 3 years. For the year 2010-11, government spent rupees 95 crores. There is considerable scheduled tribes population as also a scheduled caste population. Mostly they have come from Bangladesh. A sum of rupees 17 crores has been set apart for the purpose of improving the condition of the scheduled caste as also the scheduled tribes. Then very great efforts are being made for the purpose of rehabilitating the most of whom are from the scheduled caste, and it will be found that as a matter of fact 1,90,000 people have been rehabilitated in this tiny state of Tripura. Out of them 99,000 and odd have been rehabilitated in government colonies, and land loans have been given, facilities for education have been given, and in respect of medical facilities it will be found that the amount has increased by at least 5 times. Then a point was made that unemployment was rising. So far as the question of unemployment is concerned, it is a general question and has only a very short specific point so far as the state is concerned. You will find that in view of the development projects that government have undertaken, the number of persons employed or the service personnel in this tiny state has increased. These persons are actually under employment in respect of the different departments so far as development projects are concerned. Then you will also note that for the purpose of providing good buildings for offices, especially for schools and hospitals, the government have a proposal before them which is being implemented, according to which rupees 1 crore are going to be spent for the purpose of construction of various buildings. Then we are also taking care to see that crime is not increasing at all. Very vague statements were made that crime was increasing. In fact, so far as the border area is concerned, there were only 2 Dictation, and no more. Even all the offenders in respect of these offences have been brought under control.